Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know whether because it's January or whether it hasn't stopped raining that I feel like making kind of easier recipes. Obviously, I want something healthy, but at the same time, I want to keep it really simple. So today's recipe is another one pan wonder. I really want some chicken today. So I am going to make a really nice lemony, spiced up roast chicken, kind of thighs with lots of lovely vegetables added to it. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get cooking, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and that's it. Let me get started. First thing to do is prep the vegetables. I have some celery here, I have a bulb of fennel, I have some carrots and also some onions. So I'm just going to prep these and I'm going to cut them into like big chunky pieces. I'm using 4 onions, and by chunks I mean just kind of slightly bigger pieces of onions. Just going to transfer the onions into a large bowl, and here I have got around 7. You can take as many carrots as you like. Basically that's actually how many I had in the fridge, so I'm trying to use up the carrots as well. And again, I'm going to chop it into chunks. The idea is to have all the vegetables in similar sizes so that they cook at the same time. So the carrots go in too. Now for some celery, I don't want so much, so I'm just going to take a couple of sticks. I love using celery in kind of stews and soup, so I will make use of it, but I'm going to just wash this and chop this up. Once again into nice chunks, and they go in with the carrots and onions. And now for some fennel. I absolutely love the flavor of fennel, and my family is not too keen, but when it's roasted it becomes really delicious. So I'm just going to slice them up and add them to the pile of vegetables. Like I said, I want to make it nice and lemony. It's lemon chicken, so I'm going to use zest of a whole lemon. That is going to add so much flavor. I'm going to use the same lemon, slice it, and then use the juice into the vegetables. I'll use half in here right now. And also going to drizzle 3 tablespoons of, I'm using good quality olive oil. Now I'm just using 3/4 teaspoon, actually half is enough, half teaspoon of salt, and going to add some sumac. You can, if you haven't got this, just use normal paprika. And I just want like a zingy spice mix, so I'm using the Baharat spice mix, and I can tell you that this spice mix has paprika, it's got coriander, orange, cassia bark, cumin, salt, cardamom, black pepper, cayenne pepper, a bit of clove, garlic clove, no, actually not garlic clove, ground clove, and some nutmeg. So it's just a really lively, I love it. As you can see, I've already used half a jar. If you cannot find this, if you haven't got this, then there are a few things you can use. You could use any kind of a spice mix that you like. I would go for za'atar if you have got za'atar at home, or you could just add some black pepper and kind of what else would you add? Just add some ground cinnamon, and you don't have to have all those spices. But if you can get hold of this, this is a good one to have in the cupboard. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of this spice mix into the vegetables. All that's left to do is mix it up. Now I'm going to transfer this on this oven tray. So as you can see, the whole tray is full, which is perfect. And now I can work the chicken. For the chicken, I have got 8 chicken breasts. This recipe should serve 4 people. So I've got 8 chicken breasts. Oh, sorry, chicken thighs on the bone. Really important. You want them on the bone. I'm just going to tidy these up and then put them into this bowl before I add the spices. And I'm also going to make a couple of slits on each of the thighs. I'm going to add the same spices that I did to the vegetables. So a teaspoon of sumac, a teaspoon of Baharat spice, just maybe just 3/4 teaspoon of salt, olive oil. Then give it a good rub. I'm just going to take a whole clove of garlic, chop it into half, and then add it to this as well. Now this goes on the tray. This is our tray. I'm going to put garlic in the corner, put it here. Anyways, I'm just going to place the chicken pieces all on top. And this other half of lemon that I had left, I'm just going to thinly slice this. Just gonna place these lemon pieces. Really lovely, refreshing flavor. And this is ready for the oven. The tray of chicken and lemon and vegetables is ready. So I'm gonna get this in a really nice hot oven. I have got it at, turned it off. Right, I'm gonna get the oven nice and hot at 200C fan, which is 220 normal oven, and this is going to go in for 45 minutes. I cannot wait. So I had put the chicken in for 45 minutes, but I went out to the shops to pick something up and I was late in coming back. So now the chicken has been in not for 45 minutes, but 55 minutes. So it's time to get that thing out.
Oh, it smells so good.
So here it is, looking lovely. What I am going to do is get some of this, some of the juices from the bottom and kind of just put a bit on top of the chicken so it doesn't dry out. The chicken, some of the vegetables, and you can serve it with some rice if you want. You could serve it with some couscous, which will be quite lovely with this, or you could just serve this on its own. It doesn't really need anything on the side, or a nice fresh salad would be quite good too. Now for the moment of truth. I have to say that this dinner could not be any easier. Really, you've seen, just put everything into the oven and then it just is, you can go and do some other bits because you don't have to keep an eye on it. which is what I am right now craving. So, moment of truth. Oh, they're so. What I love is that it's got that zinginess to it, and the chicken is moist, and that sauce at the bottom of it with the vegetables, it's got such freshness to it, which is quite nice, because as you can see, the weather is not the greatest outside, and this is so warming, comforting, but it's not kind of heavy, which is what I was hoping for. So I really hope that you guys will love this one pan chicken, lemony roast chicken with vegetables. I really hope that you will love it. The whole combination is really nice. The fennel is absolutely delicious. Roast fennel is seriously so good. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you try this recipe, and I will see you back very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now. Oh, just that. Oh, it's like, oh, it's so like refreshing, and you wouldn't expect it. You want, like, when you look at it, you're thinking it's going to be kind of maybe spicy or heavy, but it's just like light and refreshing. Okay, I'll stop talking now. Bye.